Speed. Speed is known as rate of change of distance. Rate of change of distance. Or we can say speed is written as distance upon time. Suppose I say a body travel a distance x in time t, then we will say speed is known as the distance upon time, so it is known as the x upon t. Speed is vector or scalar quantity. I hope all of you know very well, speed is given by distance upon time. अब डिस्टेंस क्या है? डिस्टेंस इज ए स्केलर क्वांटिटी. डिस्प्लेसमेंट होता है तो कौन सी क्वांटिटी होती? वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. सो डिस्टेंस स्केलर क्वांटिटी है, सो वी विल से स्पीड इज ऑल्सो स्केलर क्वांटिटी. What is the SI unit of speed? We all know very well, speed is given by distance upon time. In SI system, distance is measured in meter and time is measured in second. So SI unit is known as the meter per second, or somewhere it can be written as meter per second in this format also. Instantaneous speed. This is a speed which is measured at a particular instant. It is known as the instantaneous speed. Average speed. Average speed is known as the total distance upon total time. Because all of you know, अगर आप कहीं भी ट्रैवलिंग करते हो, कभी आपकी बाइक फास्ट चलती है, कभी आपकी गाड़ी स्लो चलती है, फिर कभी रुकी जाती है एक ही जगह पे, फिर कभी गाड़ी फिर तेज चलती है. It means you are not moving constantly with the same speed. Somewhere at the red light you have to stop. Somewhere if it is a free road you can move faster. Somewhere if it is a traffic, your speed is low. So we will say average speed is known as the total distance upon total time. If I say x1, x2, x3 distance is covered in time t1, t2 and t3. So average speed is written as total distance upon total time. Total time. Total distance traveled is x1 plus x2 plus x3, and total time for the journey is t1 plus t2 plus t3. So this is known as the average speed. Uniform and non-uniform motion, or uniform or non-uniform speed एक ही बात है. We have discussed in the last class that if body cover equal distance in equal interval of time, then it is known as the uniform speed. And if body cover unequal distance in equal interval of time, then it is known as the variable speed or non-uniform speed. जैसे इस ग्राफ में आप ये स्ट्रेट लाइन देख रहे हो, ये स्ट्रेट लाइन क्या दिखा रही है? दिस इज द ग्राफ बिटवीन स्पीड एंड टाइम. इट मीन्स टाइम इज चेंजिंग बट योर स्पीड इज कांस्टेंट, सो दिस इज द यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड. लेकिन यहाँ से यहाँ तक क्या हो रहा है? जैसे जैसे आपको टाइम बढ़ रहा है वैसे वैसे आपकी स्पीड भी चेंज हो रही है, बिकॉज दिस इज 0, 1, 2, 3, एंड जैसे जैसे आपका टाइम राइज हो रहा है स्पीड भी यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक राइज हो रही है. सो यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड, that is the constant speed, equal distance covered in equal interval of time. Non-uniform speed, that is a variable speed, unequal distance is covered in equal interval of time.